How to edit dynamic Instagram photography in 90 seconds or less. Okay, so you want to get a cool picture and bring it into your editor. I'm using Adobe Lightroom in this picture taken on my iPhone. The first thing you want to do is adjust the photo so that the brightness is relatively even throughout. You can do this by changing the white balance and basic levels to your liking. I'm pretty cool with this. The next thing you want to do is add a little bit of texture and clarity to taste. You don't want to overdo it, just enough to make those edges pop. Number 3, you want to adjust the tonal balance to get that teal and orange effect that everybody's so crazy about. I typically start with these settings and adjust from there. Step 4, you want to remove any unwanted saturation from your tonal change. Sometimes after adjusting, your skin tone may be a little bit too orange or a little too red, so you just want to pull those down and bring that natural skin color back. Number 5, you want to add that vintage fade by adjusting the shadows on the exposure curve to look something like this. Number 6, you want to increase your sharpening and noise reduction to taste. I like to smooth it out just a little bit more than normal when it's not a portrait. The final step you want to do is add a radial filter around your subject and adjust the exposure to make it pop out from the background. To make the center of the image pop just a little bit more, you can also add a vignette to taste, just like this. And there you go. Dynamic Instagram photography. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button down below, and I'll catch you later.